So we are starting with basic calculus today. This basic is not so basic, but again, we are following the norms. So we will study it in two different categories, differentiation, and second one is integration. And a part of it is application of derivatives. So application of derivatives, because we will be learning about maxima and minima also, right? And we will learn about integration also. Okay. So differentiation, application of derivatives, and integration. So before I move ahead in differentiation, are you guys aware about functions? Are you guys aware about functions? All of you, tell me. Srinidhi, Spandan.
Yes, sir.
Any idea about Srinidhi? What is function?
So where a value of anything is defined.
Okay. Spandan, any idea about function, beta? No idea. So see, function is what? A specific operation performed by an object, that is what is called as a function of that object, right? Simple. We, in literal sense, this is what it means. Now, when we write in maths, this is how the functions are written. Y is equal to, let's say, x cube plus 3x square plus 4, for example, like this. So the value of y depends on the value of x. So x is called as independent variable, because when we change the value of x, we change the value of y. So this is independent variable and this is dependent variable. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The 11th standard kids, please tell yes or no. Srinidhi and Spandan.
Yes.
So
yes, sir.
if I have a function like this, x cube plus 3t square plus 4z plus 8, for example. So there are three independent variables now, t, x, and z, right? So in short, we write y is a function of x like this. So use any alphabet or any symbol also you can use. Here it can be written as x comma t comma z. This is y is a function of x, t, and z. Clear? Clear? Right?
Yes.
This is how functions are
Yes,
represented.
sir.
Now coming back to our, what do we want to learn now is, we want to see if I change the value of independent variable, how does that change in the value of independent variable affects the change in the value of, or affects y. So what we want to learn now is, if we change independent variable, how does that change affects the dependent variable? Okay, this is what we are going to learn today. Srinidhi, Spandan और कुशाग्र और दीप, आप लोग को समझ आ रहा है बेटा सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
What I am doing here is I am drawing a xy axis. This is the xy plane which we have, and I draw a curve here. Okay, this is some y which is a function of x. Clear? And I take 2 points on this curve. I take two different points on this curve. Let's say this is point P, this is point Q. Now, let's draw a secant to this curve. You guys are aware about secant? Spandan and Srinidhi.
Yes,
You know
sir.
what is secant, beta? Srinidhi, you know?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is a secant, right? The coordinates of P are x1 and y1. The coordinates of Q are x2 and y2. Clear? So now if I complete this triangle, this point, let's say it is point R. This is x1, this is x2, this is y1, this is y2, right? So the angle which this vector makes, which this secant makes with x-axis, let's say it is phi. So can we find the slope of this secant? Tan phi is given as QR upon PR. Yes or no? All of you. Srinidhi, Spandan.
Yes, sir.
This is equal to, QR is equal to, this length is QR, right? This is delta Y and this length is delta X, right? So this is delta Y upon delta X. I hope all of you understood till this point. Any doubts if you
Yes,
have?
sir. No, sir.
Good. So now what we do here is, now I'm writing some conditions here, so please pay attention. If Q starts moving towards P along the curve, just don't write anything, just try to figure out what is happening. If you have any queries, just read it again, right? I'll clear it everything towards the end of the session. Sorry, end of this explanation. So if Q starts moving towards P along the curve, the change in the value of X, decreases. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What will change? First, the independent variable will change, isn't it? Srinidhi and
Yes, sir.
Spandan, in this case, we are talking about.
Yes, sir.
And hence, there is a decrease in the value of, in the change in the value of Y, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
there is a decrease in the change in the value of Y. When Q is very, very close to P, such that when Q is very, very close to P, such that change in the value of X is almost zero. Then the secant PQ almost becomes a tangent to the curve at P. All of you know what is a tangent, right? Kushagra, Dev, Likhar, Srinidhi and Spandan.
Yes, sir.
And the slope of this tangent, the slope of this tangent is given as, first of all of you read each step, sorry, each statement. There are two here. If Q starts moving, the first statement, all of you are clear about it, or you want me to explain it to you? Chalo, मैं समझाता हूं. When Q closes on to P, can you guys see this? This is Q coming towards P, right? What is happening here? The distance delta x, the change in the value of x, delta x is decreasing, yes or no? This delta x decreases, yes or no? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Delta x is decreasing, right? So the first statement is clear to all of you. Spandan, Srinidhi,
Yes, sir.
good. Now, when Q is very close to P, so this is Q and this is P. Very close का मतलब ये है, the value of delta x is very, very, very small, 10 to the power minus 999,009 lakh centimeters. Can you plot it on a number line? No. But for the sake of explanation, I am drawing it here. So Q is very close to P, but we are not taking it to be 0. ठीक है बेटा? आप दोनों को समझ आ रहा है? Srinidhi and Spandan, both of
Yes,
you are
sir.
good.
Yes, sir.
So now, when you draw the secant PQ, can you see it is touching the curve almost at one point only, at P? The secant PQ almost becomes a tangent at point, sorry, at this point, right? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this is theta. So tan theta is now given as limit delta x tends to 0. कुशाग्र और दीव, ये तुम सबने पढ़ा है बेटा तुम लोगों ने, है ना? तो पर याद कर
Yes,
लो,
sir.
ये रिवीजन तुम्हारा फटाफट होगा ये. So this is how the slope of the tangent is given. What we are writing here is, I have written this extra term here. Can you guys see this? Limit delta x tends to 0. What does it mean? Srinidhi and Spandan, please understand. We are making delta x very, very, very small, not 0. So delta x is tending towards 0. It is not becoming 0. Because if delta x becomes 0, what will happen? That ratio will become not defined. Delta y by delta x becomes not defined, isn't it? है ना बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
इसलिए
sir.
ये याद रखना है कि delta x has to tend to 0. And this is now equal to, in short, we write it as dy by dx. What is this? This is, how do we read it? We read this as rate of, first of all, this is called as differentiation of y. We call this as differentiation of y with respect to x. This is the first thing. This is also, what is the operation we are performing here? Seeking a change in the value of the independent variable with respect to a very small change in the value of the independent variable. That is what that delta y by delta x tends to 0 means, right? हाँ ना बोलो बेटा, समझ आ रहा है नहीं आ
Yes,
रहा
sir.
है? And or we can also write, there is one more explanation. It is also the slope of the tangent drawn to the y is equal to fx graph. Got it? This is what is we mean by differentiation. ये differentiation होता है. So now later on we will see what is how to use it in kinematics, in other things and other topics of physics. But first you should understand what is happening. Then only you will be able to appreciate it. अच्छा ये होता है, तब मजा आएगा. ठीक है? Note it quickly, all of you.
सर, यहाँ पे सीकिंग अ चेंज इन द वैल्यू ऑफ डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल आना चाहिए ना?
सॉरी माय बैड. हाँ, इंडिपेंडेंट बाद में लिखा है ना मैंने. सो दिस इज डिपेंडेंट. हाँ, थैंक यू दीव. Once you are done writing it, please type done in the comment window and do let me know. दीव, तुम पर ये बताओ, तुम वो मंडे वाले बैच में कहाँ गायब हो गए थे तुम इस बार?
सर, एक्चुअली मैंने मैसेज नहीं देखा था.
अबे तो तुम पिताजी को ही भेजा था तुम्हारे तो
नहीं,
गाड़ी.
मेरे पापा ऑफिस में रहते हैं ना.
अच्छा, हाँ 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 हाँ, पर उनसे मेरी बात हुई थी, मैंने सब बताया था उनको 2 दिन पहले।
हाँ
संडे को ही बताया था शायद, हाँ संडे को ही या सैटरडे को बताया था, मुझे याद नहीं, क्योंकि मैंने कहा था उनसे। ये कुशाग्र, तुम भी मेरी बात अभी मेरे से बात करना बेटा क्लास के बाद, ठीक है?
Okay, okay, sir.
हम्म। Srinidhi and Spandan, we will also be talking for few minutes after the session, okay? है बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Once you have noted, please type done. So all of you are done, right? So now let's see how to actually see. Now you know that you have to draw the tangent, find the slope. But what is the mathematical operation? How is this operation performed, right? So I'll just draw this again and help you understand it. So we are trying to learn about first principle of differentiation. So this is the curve. This is coordinates of P. This is coordinates of Q. ठीक है? This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. And this is y is a function of x. Right. Now, slope of the tangent is, एक minute. If x is equal to x1, what will be y1? Can I say y1 is f of x1? Yes or no? Srinidhi and Spandan. And Dev and
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kushagra. Right?
Yes.
And if x is equal to x2, y2 becomes f of x2. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if, now take this one, huh? If x1 becomes x, what will be y1 then? It will be f of x. Yes or no? So I write x1 as,
Yes, sir.
I write x1 as x and x2 as x plus small h. Right? So when x1 is x, y1 is f of x. And if x2 is x plus h, y2 is f of x plus h. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So dy by dx, please write it after this, हाँ? इसको लिखने के बाद ये लिखना है बेटा. So dy by dx will be equal to limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x. Now I replace this limit delta x tends to 0. This is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Srinidhi, understood?
Sir.
And this is limit. What is delta x? Delta x is x2 minus x1, right? Which is h. And what is delta y? It's f of x plus h minus f of x. So it is limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. This is the mathematical operation which should be performed to find this dy by dx of the function y is equal to f of x. I hope this is clear to all of you. And this is called as first principle of differentiation. First principle. All the formulas, whatever formulas which we will learn from now onwards, first principle of differentiation. ठीक है? Srinidhi and Spandan. I hope all of you understood this.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you have understood, please write it quickly and then we will move ahead with the session. ठीक है? Type done if you are done. Noted? Chalo, good.
Yes, sir.
So let's do one example. So example goes like this. We have y is equal to 3x square plus 3x plus 2. Let's say this is 6. ठीक है? So this is f of x. What is f of x plus h? Srinidhi, can you please tell what is f of x plus h? Srinidhi,
Sir.
can you please tell what is f of x plus h in this case? No worries. Spandan, can you please tell what is f of x plus h? If fx is this, what will be f of x plus h?
Sir, 3 into x plus h whole square.
Yes. Srinidhi,
plus 6 into x plus h plus 2.
always remember, beta, whenever we are replacing x na, suppose fx is 3x square plus 6x plus 2. Okay, Srinidhi?
Yes,
If
sir.
we want to replace x by 2, this becomes 3 into 2 square plus 6 into 2 plus 2. Got it? So when
Yes,
we are talking about f of x plus h, it will be
3 into x plus h whole square plus 6 into x plus h plus 2.
very good. So 3 into x plus h whole square plus 6 into x plus h plus 2, right? So this is f of x plus h. Now, to find dy by dx using first principle, what we do is limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h. So it is 3, I am just writing it directly, 3x plus h whole square plus 6x plus h plus 2 minus 3x square plus 6x plus 2 divided by h. Got it? Trinidhi, Tushagra, Divlikhar, Spandan.
Yes, sir.
So this is
Yes,
limit
sir.
Yes,
h
sir.
tends to 0. I expand it, 3x square plus 3h square plus 6xh plus 6x plus 6h plus 2 minus 3x square plus 6x plus 2. Sorry. Minus 2. Got it? Divided by h. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
This cancels out with these two, right? One more step to go. So this is 3h square plus 6xh plus 6h upon h. This cancels out, this cancels out, this cancels out. From here I get limit h tends to 0, 3h plus 6x plus 6. Now remember, as soon as h is removed from the denominator, Kushagra, क्या करते हैं? What do we do here?
what, sir?
यहाँ पे करते क्या है हम? इसके बाद what do we do? What is the next step?
जब h हट जाता है ना,
हाँ, h नीचे से हट जाता है, तब क्या करते हैं? भूल गया तू? या you are not
yes, sir.
following what I am doing?
Sir, I was following the rule here.
देव, क्या करते हैं आप?
फिर h को 0 कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं.
Yes. As soon as, always remember, as soon as h is removed from the denominator, as soon as h is removed from the denominator, as soon as h is removed from the denominator, we substitute, I'll write it here, write this step here. As soon as h is removed from the denominator, substitute h is equal to 0 wherever it is in the numerator, because h is very small, h is tending towards 0. That's why we can do this. That this step is justified because h is very small, right? It's, you can 10 to the power minus 99 lakhs. So like that. So once we substitute this, so this gives us dy by dx is equal to 6x plus 6. So this is how we use the first principle of differentiation. Will anybody ask us? No. Why we should know this? Because to have a better understanding of what is the slope of the tangent, how the change in dependent variable varies as we change the, as there is a change in independent variable. So because of these only we have to know this. So understanding is very important. So write this example quickly. And just attempt this one after you have noted this. This was example 1. of first principle of differentiation. This is example 2. So let's say y is x cube. So find y dash, or this is dy by dx. All of you do this. For this, you should know that what is a plus b whole cube. It's a plus a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is what is expansion. So write it quickly. Do this. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Huh? I hope all of you understood this. Noted?
So one.
Please solve this using first first principle, okay? Srinidhi and Spandan, both of you. हो गया? सॉल्व किया?
Yes, sir.
dx square है sir.
Chalo. Srinidhi, done? Srinidhi, Spandan, both of you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Shabash. So this was first principle of differentiation. We will not use it anymore from now onwards. Okay. Will not use it. So now comes, based on this, we know differentiation of some basic functions. Using the first principle only, we derive it, right? But we don't have to go for derivation of these functions. So first one is sin x. So if y is sin x, what will be dy by dx? It is cos x. Second, if y is cos x, what will be dy by dx? It's minus sin x. Got it? Third one is, how do we get this? By first principle of differentiation only. So y is equal to e power x, where e is Euler's constant. E is a constant called as Euler's constant. Its approximate value is 2.62. E is Euler's constant. ठीक है? So y dash is e power x only. Differentiation of e power x is e power x only. Fourth is y is natural log of x. Natural log mein base is, how many of you don't know about log? Srinidhi, you know about logarithms?
Yes, sir.
Spandan?
Yes, sir.
Good. So ln of x, y dash is, that is dy by d of ln of x upon dx. This is how we write dy by dx is 1 over x. And the last and most important and most frequently used is y is equal to x to the power n, where n is a constant. Right? We write this as y dash is equal to nx to the power n minus 1. For example, if y is equal to x to the power minus 3 by 2, what is y dash? It's minus 3 by 2 x to the power minus 5 by 2. N has to be constant, right? Srinidhi,
Yes, sir.
Kushagra, Devlikhar, Spandan.
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes, sir.
शाबाश शाबाश, लिखो इसको जल्दी से. Noted? Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कुशाग्र, दीव, हो गया बेटा?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Now comes, so we will confine ourselves to these 5 basic functions only, right? Now, before I move ahead, what is differentiation of a constant? I just want you to show this differentiation of a constant. So, this is what we have for a constant. I'll draw the graph and I'll also draw the equation. I'll also use the equation. So this is some x y is equal to, let's say it is some a, right? This point is a on y coordinate. So this is y is equal to a. Now, if you want to find what is dy by dx, what will you do? Going by one of the definitions, that is drawing the slope of the tangent. So let's draw the tangent to this line. How will the tangent look like? It will coincide with this line, yes or no? What is the slope of this tangent? The angle which the tangent makes is 0 degrees with the x-axis, yes or no? Spandan, yes or no? So the angle which the tangent
Yes.
makes, this blue line is the tangent, makes it 0 degrees. So the slope of the tangent is 0. So dy by dx of a constant is 0. So differentiation of a constant is 0, right? Using the expression, mathematical expression, limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x. Now you can see here that x keeps on changing, but y remains constant. So what is change in y? It's 0, right? 0 upon delta x. So this becomes 0. I hope all of you understood this.
Sir.
So differentiation of a constant is always equal to 0. Clear? Write it. हो गया भाई? बोलो हाँ या ना, हो गया कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shabash. So now next point, differentiation of two functions. Can I take this class till 10:15 if all of you agree?
Yes, sir.
Because we started at 9:06, I think. Spandan, can we do this class till 10:15?
Yes, sir.
But I need your 5-10 minutes after that. So please keep this in mind.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है? क्या कुशाग्र बाबू, नींद आ रही क्या बेटा?
No, no, sir.
No, na. Two functions when they are added or subtracted. So differentiation of two functions when they are added or subtracted. ठीक है? So we have this function y, which is f of x plus minus g of x. So these are two different functions which are added or subtracted, right? Now, if I want to differentiate this y, what do I get? It's dy by dx only, f dash x plus minus g dash x. Simply differentiate each function and add or subtract as they are in the given question. So example, let's see this. So this is y is equal to x cube plus cos x. So y dash is what? It's 3x square individually differentiated, and this is minus of sin x. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no? Right? This is differentiation of two functions. When they are added or subtracted. Write it quickly.
Done, sir.
Okay. Srinidhi, Spandan, Dev, noted?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Shabash. So now comes product rule of differentiation. So differentiation of two functions. Differentiation of two functions when they are multiplied. ठीक है? So we have y is equal to fx into gx. This is also called as product rule of differentiation. Okay. So y dash is first you differentiate the first function, keep the second function as it is, plus now you keep the first function as it is, differentiate the second function. Got it? Simple hai ye? So y is, let's say, x cube sin x. So y dash will be, this is an example. This is 3x square sin x plus x cube into cos x. This is the answer. Cos x is differentiation of sin x and 3x square is differentiation of x cube. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
लिखो. Noted? Noted. Hello, hello, hello.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo.
Yes.
First product rule. Next one is division rule. Division और quotient rule भी बोलते हैं बेटा इसको. ठीक है? So I will write n as numerator and d as denominator. So y dash will be keep denominator as it is, differentiate the numerator, minus keep numerator as it is, differentiate the denominator, divided by d of x ka whole square. Got it? So this is, suppose, let's take one example. Suppose I want to differentiate tan x. So what is tan x? We write it in this format, sin x upon cos x. Y dash is cos x remains as it is. Differentiation of sin x is cos x minus sin x remains as it is. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x divided by cos square x. So this is sin square x plus cos square x divided by cos square x. So this is sec square x. I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
लिखो. ये था डिवीजन रूल और कोशेंट रूल. टिल संडे को तो देवांश सर तुमको इसका प्रैक्टिस करवाएंगे. उनको बोलूंगा मैं चेन रूल पढ़ाने के लिए तुमको. टिल नेक्स्ट वेंसडे वी विल कंप्लीट इट. हो जाएगा खत्म. I'll give you a homework. You have एक सेकेंड. you go to some coaching institute, you have the material to practice this, Srinidhi and Spandan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
है तो ठीक है, then you practice it from there only. I'll give you the booklet also, but again, no need to, because this is still maths only, na. We should quickly move to physics now. It's almost how many? 2 वीक तो तुम्हारा वो चला, वेक्टर इंपॉर्टेंट था बहुत, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट वीक तक ये भी खत्म हो जाएगा। देन व्हाट इज यू आर डूइंग इन योर schools or coaching institute? Really, which topic is going on in your school or coaching institute?
Sir, heat transfer.
So how they are teaching heat transfer now?
Sir, we have 2 physics classes simultaneously. One we are doing kinematics and the other heat transfer.
Kinematics and heat transfer. And Spandan, about you?
So we are on work, energy, and power.
ठीक है। Srinidhi, which coaching you are going?
Sir, 9 Education, Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, 9 Education. Okay. Spandan?
So Shraddha Academy, Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Okay. ठीक है। So noted this. Done with this part. Okay.
Yes, sir.
तो हो गया कुशाग्र? चलो, I'll just show you the booklet which I'll give you the homework to do. ठीक है। ये क्या था यार? दिस पीसी ढूंढो, दिस पीसी को। It was general.
यार एक्सरसाइज वाला
हाँ हाँ
वो शायद आपने ग्रुप पे भेजा था।
हाँ,
वो शायद आपने ग्रुप में भेजा था।
जनरल थ्योरी है
बेसिक
ना?
मैथ्स का था ना? नहीं नहीं, बेसिक मैथ्स वाला है। हाँ ठीक है, ओके।
Okay, I'll send the booklet. It's on page 39. Note it in your notebook. Page 39, question number 1. 1, 2 and 3 you can do easily. ठीक है, page 39, question number 1, 2 and 3. So, Kushagra, Srinidhi and Span, give me 2 minutes. I just want to discuss something with these kids. कुशाग्र, तुमको अगर वो तुमको जानते हो, उसको क्या नाम है उसका, संभव जैन, एक और अपग्रेड बैच चल रहा है, एक और अपग्रेड बैच चल रहा है। वो अपग्रेड बैच तुमसे 2 महीना 3 महीना आगे है, ठीक है। अगर तुम चाहते हो कि उस बैच में आना, तो तुम उस बैच में आ सकते हो। दीव को मैंने बोला है आने के लिए, उसमें अभी फ्लूइड्स मैंने चालू किया है, तो इसमें इसके वाले टॉपिक्स करते रहो इस बैच में, उसमें भी तुम्हारे एक टॉपिक अलग चलेगा। तो ये तुम्हारा,
ठीक है सर, ठीक है।
सर कौन कौन से टॉपिक हो गए हैं?
वहां पे कौन कौन सा टॉपिक हो गया है? तो बहुत बढ़िया बढ़िया टॉपिक हो गया है। सेंटर ऑफ मास, रोटेशनल मैकेनिक्स और ग्रेविटेशन और एसएचएम, ये 4 टॉपिक हो गए हैं, ठीक है। तो पर मैं तुम्हें वो करवाऊंगा, यहाँ तो होगा ही, है ना, यहाँ होगा ही, तो इसलिए तुम चिंता मत करो, आराम से करेंगे उसको। वी विल डू इट वेरी नाइसली, बट वहां तुम्हारा जो सिलेबस है वो जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा। तो नेक्स्ट ईयर अगस्त मेरा टारगेट है, उसके लिए इनका भी खत्म हो जाएगा, बट यहाँ थोड़ा सा पेस ज्यादा रहेगा, तो इसलिए तुम वो कर लो तो ज्यादा बेटर है। उनका मेरे ख्याल से अगस्त से पहले कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, जून में खत्म हो जाएगा उनका। ये वाला बैच का खत्म होगा अगस्त सितंबर में। समझ आ रहा है?
यस सर। सर आप टाइमिंग भेज दीजिएगा, मैं तो बोल दीजिएगा।
सेम टाइम है। हाँ, टाइमिंग नहीं, लिख लो टाइमिंग। मंडे एंड फ्राइडे 6:30 to 7:30 PM। मैं ग्रुप में ऐड कर दूंगा तुमको।
ठीक है सर।
और एक क्लास मैंने फ्लूइड्स का पढ़ाया है जो तुमने मिस कर दिया है, तो मैं तुम वो उसको देख के आना पड़ेगा तुम्हें।
ठीक है सर, आप लिंक भेज दीजिएगा
चलिए,
मेरे को।
चलो बाय।
6:30 ना सर?
6:30 to 7:30 मंडे एंड फ्राइडे। ठीक है,
ठीक है सर, थैंक यू सर।
चलो बाय,
थैंक यू
टेक
सर।
केयर।
बाय सर।
Spandan, how are the sessions for you? Would you like to move ahead with this batch?
Sir, I'll let you know.
Yeah, sure.
Sessions are good.
Any challenge you have faced till now? See, this is the same format which we'll
No
be
challenge.
sessions every week, right? One numerical solving exclusively. We will be practicing numericals on that day, using mind maps only. But अभी तो vectors था, इसलिए mind map का कोई logic नहीं है. Shrinji, you understand Hindi?
Yes, sir, I'm fine with that.
तो अभी एज ऑफ नाउ वेक्टर्स में कोई लॉजिक नहीं है, कैलकुलस में कोई माइंड मैप का वो नहीं है, बट वंस वी स्टार्ट विद फिजिक्स, ठीक है, तो इट विल हेल्प यू न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्विंग एल्गोरिथम्स, एवरीथिंग वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग इन दैट, ठीक है, द स्टेप्स हाउ टू सॉल्व. सो दैट्स हाउ दीज सेशंस विल गो. आई विल टीच एंड देवांश सर विल टीच, दैट्स इट. तो मोस्टली आई विल टीच, but last time since I was out of town, so he was taking these sessions. Numerical solving sessions, some of the sessions he may take because I'll be busy with my webinars and all on Sundays. So Sunday session he will be taking mostly. But ठीक है, मतलब I am meeting you we are meeting for at least twice in a week. So even we can shift Sunday session timing. If we can shift it out before 5 p.m, then I can take the sessions if you agree, right? So decide. Right, Mr. Rakesh Mishra will call your parents tomorrow. He has your numbers. He has called you earlier.
Yes, sir, I guess.
He has talked to you. Okay,
Yes, sir.
what is the name of other kid? The boy who was coming, Sai, I think. The boy who was coming for the sessions.
So the first class?
Yeah.
No idea, sir, I don't remember.
Okay, no worries. So please take a call. So and we will be keeping this session. ठीक है? Bye. Take care. See you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.